Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update iPad OS and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network so syncing works. Once done, install the Google Docs app from the App Store or decide to use Safari or Chrome for web access. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. This lets Docs load your files immediately. If you want real-time updates, enable background app refresh and allow notifications. Now open the Docs app or navigate to Docs. Once the app or site is open, tap Recent or Open to surface synced documents quickly and use the search bar to type a title, phrase, or collaborator name. If you don't see a file, switch to Drive View to browse folders, shared with me, starred, or offline sections. Tap the document to open it, then use the top toolbar for formatting, insert, and comment tools. For faster navigation, use multi-touch. Pinch to close, two-finger scroll, and long press to reveal more file options. Edit the document directly. Google Docs autosaves continuously. Look for the Save to Drive indicator before you exit. If you expect no internet, enable offline mode from the File menu so changes sync later. To share, tap the Share icon and set permissions. If something goes wrong, force quit the app and reopen it, sign out and back in, or reinstall the app. That usually fixes sync or permission errors. As a last tip, verify your Google account and storage quota when files won't upload or appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.